What's going on, guys? It's been a while, but that is for a separate video I am going to make later. I am still bored, so I am just going to use a text-to-speech instead. In this video, I will be showing you guys on how to make a YouTube intro for free. Before I show you, please smash the like and subscribe button for daily uploading. I am on a good upload streak, but let's get into the video. First of all, open your browser and type in penzide.com. Click on Clip Maker and find some samples you would like. You can click on New Project to get different samples. Select the one you like. Click on the toggle button to see what the intro will look like. This one will work fine. You can edit the intro for many things like change the song and other things. For this video, I will be showing you guys on how to change the name. Click on the bars on the top left and click on Objects. There will be text options and they will say template. Just change it to your YouTube channel name, and for the sake of this video, I will be changing it to example. Then press the play button again to review it. To download it, go to the three bars on the top left again and click on Download. Leave the settings and press on Start Render to render the video, and then it will tell you to download it. Then click on Download Video. And that's it. Please smash the like and subscribe button for more music and tutorials. Have a good day, bye.